see this yet?
No, I haven't. Ryft? There's only one of one? Oh my god, a one of one exhaust. That's cool. No.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that is so cool. That is so freaking nice. 101 exhaust for 812. No one else has it in the world.
So usually these run an H pipe. This one's running X pipe. He wanted this to be the loudest exhaust.
So it sounds like Ryft does make an exhaust for the 812. However, they don't make one like this. This is completely straight pipe all the way through. It's gonna sound as loud as possible. Look at this. Oh boy.
No, it's gonna be fully covered. You're gonna put heat shielding all over this.
Damn, so you don't even see the color.
Remember, it's like the Lamborghini, bro. Same thing.
And there she is. So before we get started, we're gonna do a quick before sound clip, and then we'll do an after, of course.
Next morning.
Is it really that loud?
Yeah, bro.
Okay, so we did the revving inside the garage and it was freaking loud, but it was also echoing because it's inside a garage. So we're doing it outside now so you guys can hear how loud it really is without any echoing walls. This is definitely the loudest exhaust I've heard personally. Before this, I think the Dundon that we did on the GT3 RS was the loudest exhaust. This tops it.
I know.
Dude, that's loud.
Holy shit, dude. He went for straight pipe. That's why it's so like high-pitched V12. Like
it sounds
F1.
good.
Maybe you should go in the car with him when he comes. Actually, wait. He's pretty crazy though.
Oh my god!
It has the F1 exotic high-pitched sound, which I really like. A lot of exhausts, once they get loud, they sort of lose their pitch and their tone. This one keeps it and just raises the bar. So I'm really impressed with it. 101 Ryft exhaust.
Yeah.
You wanna hear it?
Yeah, let's do it.
Jesus.
Alright. I felt the rumble. I'm gonna go warm it up.
Oh my god.
It pops like a 720, dude. We're going like 30 miles an hour, and it sounds like the world is going to shit. Oh my god! Woo! How sick is that?
So violent.
It's so violent! What have we created? I can't contain it! Sounds like murder and gunshots and Thor and Avengers and I don't know what I'm saying! This is the loudest exhaust I have ever heard. Oh my god. I love you, man, right now. Thank you so much for filming that. Man, you guys are the best, dude.
Guys, that exhaust was insane. That is by far the loudest and most beautifully sounding exhaust I've ever heard. If you guys want to see more of the Ferrari 812, check out Kiz's channel. I'll link his channel in the description down below. But that's it for the vlog, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to work on your car, so hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below. We will see you next time.
How does it feel like to be smacked by sound?
Yeah.
Oh, I gotta go.